Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. The last class we already discussed the concept of corona. The corona is nothing but the ionization of air surrounding the polar conductor. Due to the ionization takes place between the two conductors. As ionization takes place surrounding the conductor, automatically surrounding air molecule starts conducting. Automatically the current flowing to the surrounding air starts conducting. Automatically we are going to lose some power. That power loss is called as corona loss. The effect due to which the losses will take place is nothing but a corona loss. In the corona loss we have two different types of voltages. That is nothing but critical disruptive voltage and visual disruptive voltage. These two topics I should discuss now. Number one, critical disruptive voltage. Critical disruptive voltage. Critical disruptive voltage. First one is critical disruptive voltage. Critical disruptive voltage we can also write very clearly that rotation is VC. Critical disruptive voltage. What is the critical disruptive voltage? Is nothing but it is the phase to neutral voltage at which the corona will start. The voltage at which the corona will start, that voltage is nothing but critical disruptive voltage. Nothing but this is a voltage, initial voltage, initial significant point. At that particular voltage onwards, the corona will start. It is the phase to neutral voltage. It is the phase to neutral voltage at which the corona will start. The voltage at which the corona will start at initial stage is nothing but a critical disruptive voltage. The voltage means at that particular voltage the corona will start. That is nothing but critical disruptive voltage. We have the critical disruptive voltage. We have a formula. Empirical formula Vc equal to M0. M0 is an irregular factor that nothing but depends on the atmospheric conditions. G0, just now I told potential gradient. Delta is air density factor. This is all related to atmospheric conditions. R is the radius of conductor. Ln d by R. D nothing but distance between the two conductors. This is the formula of critical disruptive voltage. Critical disruptive voltage. This is nothing but volts. Units in volts. The value is in terms of RMS value. And there is one more word I can write down here very clearly for sake of your own understanding. It is M0 is irregular factor. M0 is irregular factor, which will indicate the surface of the conductor, how the conductor design surface will be takes place. The irregular factor is 1 for polished conductor. For 1. The 0.98 to 0.93 or 0.93, 0.98. 0.98. Generally it is for a rough conductor. The conductor will rough, we have to write 0.8 to 0.9. Generally for 0.8 ranges for cables. Cables you can use 0.8. Polished conductor is 1. For a rough conductor 0.8, 0.93 it will take place. Next we have G0. Nothing but it is a potential gradient. I have already discussed. The potential gradient is 30 kV maximum by centimeter, or else 30 kV by root 2 RMS value by centimeter. This is the potential gradient it is. Next, delta is air density factor. This is purely related to the environmental condition, atmospheric condition. That formula is equal to 3.92 B by 273 plus T. This is the value of delta. It's formula of delta 3.92. Where here the B is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, that is mm of Hg. Mm of Hg. The small t is temperature of the atmosphere in the kelvins. Okay, temperature is kelvins. I hope you understand this. Temperature in kelvins, barometric pressure mm of Hg, potential gradient, irregular factor. Next, what is that? R is the radius of conductor. R is radius of conductors. That is in centimeters. D is distance between the conductor. Distance between the conductors. I hope understanding critical distributed voltage. This is equal to M naught G naught delta R ln D by R. M naught is a irregular factor, that is nothing but how the conductor surface area will take place, rough conductor or smooth conductor. We will define it is. Potential gradient at what voltage it will going to start at is, generally the current voltage it will going to start at small value. It is delta is air density factor 3.92. This will give atmospheric condition dependence. Next, R is radius of conductor. Conductor size I told you, factors of affecting in the last classes. D is distance between the conductor. These two will affecting on a critical disruptive voltage. I hope you are understanding it is critical disruptive voltage. Next, we have switch on to that one more important call is visual disruptive voltage. Second one, visual disruptive voltage. Visual disruptive voltage, that is nothing but V suffix V. Visual disruptive voltage, some people are writing visual critical disruptive voltage. Both of them, you can write clearly. This is very important. Visual disruptive voltage. The visual disruptive voltage nothing but it is nothing but phase to neutral voltage. The voltage at which the conductor will go very brightly. The conductor will looking like a very bright conductor. Violet glow, hissing noise will take place at particular voltage. One thing I am repeating. When moment the potential gradient is increases, the concept of corona will take place. After some time, there may be chances the ionization will take place surrounding of conductor. At what voltage the ionization will take place? That voltage is nothing but critical disruptive voltage. After that voltage, keep on increase the voltage gradient, the potential gradient in the conductor. If at certain span of time, from the conductor we are getting a hissing noise. I think you are seeing that we are getting a slight sound, hissing sound will take place. That particular time, the conductor looking like a very bright conductor, looking very bright. Even it is the night times also, the conductor looking like a bright, like a very brightful nature will take place. At that voltage is nothing but visual disruptive voltage. I hope you are understanding. The visual disruptive voltage always will be more than the critical disruptive voltage, because visual disruptive voltage will be more. After that, only it will start up. So we can write down that it is phase to neutral voltage at which the conductor will close very bright and it will create hissing noise. That voltage is called as visual disruptive voltage. Always the visual disruptive voltage is greater than critical disruptive voltage. The empirical formula of visual disruptive voltage is same M naught, G naught, delta R. Everything is same. The extra one component will come. That is nothing but 1 plus 0.3 by delta into R. 1 plus 0.3 delta into R. Ln into D by R. Same volts, units, RMS volts. Voltage is RMS. This is nothing but a visual disruptive voltage formula. In this is the extra part will come. This part will showcase extension of voltage are getting hissing noise and the brightness of conductor will going to be you have to see. This is a visual critical disruptive voltage. That is nothing but a visual disruptive voltage. Examination will ask what is the visual disruptive voltage. Interviews also how to calculate it is. What is the extra voltage are going to be dominated? Extra multiplier. This is extra multiplier. This is what a general formula for your critical disruptive voltage formula. Each formula what is going to happen is what is the irregular factor, what is the air density factor, temperature and pressure will take place into the picture. I hope you understand it is. In the next class we will discuss the corona loss formula. Then after what are the factors of affecting corona, what is the advantages of disadvantages of corona, we will discuss in the next class. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing.